What's up everybody? Today I wanted to do a quick update on the iron LS1 build that I did for my truck. For starters, the iron LS1 build, what it was, it's not actually an LS1, and I've had a few people tell me that in the comments, and I do know that. It's the 5.3 liter. I just call it the iron LS1 because I bored it out to the 5.7 liters, which is the specs of the LS1, and it has LS1 pistons in it. I replaced the camshaft. I put a Texas Speed camshaft in it, got headers. So I don't remember everything I've done to it, but you can go through and watch the videos and get a pretty good idea of everything that has been done to it. But I just wanted to give a review of how it is driving it as a daily driver and the reliability and everything like that. So let's start with the good. The good is that the engine has run good. It's been about 18 months and I haven't had any issues with the actual engine itself that I rebuilt. The bad is that the truck that I put the engine in had over 300,000 miles on it, and so everything else around the engine is falling apart. So I'm slowly having to replace the rest of the truck. Right now I have a leak that goes from the radiator to the transmission. The ride quality isn't the best. It's fine, it's good enough for me. When you compare the ride quality to a new truck, you can definitely feel the difference. As far as plans for the truck, I don't want to put a ton of money into this because I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to keep it. There are a few things I want to do, and if there's anything you guys want to see me do, maybe put it in the comments below and I'll see if I can do it. But one of the things I want to do is get a radiator fan, electronic fan, not just the mechanical fan. When I do that, I would kind of like to get it retuned, mostly so that the fan is run off the engine computer, not just the radiator temperature. The other thing I've debated on doing is getting a new exhaust. I custom did this exhaust myself and it's been okay, but sometimes I feel like it sounds kind of odd. When you're really high up in the RPMs, it sounds pretty good, I think, but when you're just driving around, putting around town, it's just kind of annoying sounding. And I've also debated on, along those lines, getting rid of the catalytic converters. So we'll see if I do that or not. As a daily driver, it's turned out to be really good. The camshaft isn't overly aggressive, so I mean, just putting around town, most of the time I can't even tell any difference from stock. You really have to get it above about 2,000 to 2,500 RPMs before you start noticing a difference in the power. And the reality is, most of the time I'm not driving in that RPM range. You're just kind of putting around town. But it is fun every once in a while to get on it and see what it can do. So like I say, I just wanted to do a quick update. If you have any questions or anything, or like I say, if there's anything you'd like to see me do to the truck, let me know and I'll see if I can do it. I'm going to be starting a new project car here as well soon, so if you're interested in seeing that, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.